So my Amazon package came. It wasn't the one I was expecting. My headboard. Hopefully that's on its way. But my thigh-high socks came in. And you may be wondering, why did I buy thigh-high socks? Well, I bought it because when I wear my oversized shirts and oversized sweatshirts, like I like to wear like thigh-high socks just to kind of make it more cozy, you know. So now I'm going to organize the doggy bin right here. This is just basically filled with like a lot of their medicine and like grooming stuff.
Anything at all but it's you. Any other girl but it's you. I dream about anything at all but it's you. Any other girl but it's you. I dream about.
Girl, we can take a real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, we can take a real slow. Never let go of you, never leave you solo. When it's late in the night, won't you come on over? Fool around in my sheets, you could be my lover, yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're my lover, you're my wonder.
So I organized both bins and I just put everything else that's not related to the dogs in here because it is pretty big, but it's also pretty long. I put all the more important products, dog products, in here, and I'm gonna try to see if I can make room in my bathroom to put them in.
Ball.
Bitch, where?
Okay, I'm gonna locate it. Okay.
Nope.
I don't think he thinks this is a ball.
I seen this doggy toy on Pinterest as a Pinterest ad, and I thought it would be a good idea for Sunny.
He's mad.
Seen this doggy toy on Pinterest as an ad, and I thought it would be a good idea because Sunny loves balls. That's his favorite type of doggy toy, and he won't play with anything else besides a ball. And this basically has a ball at the end, and then you can stick it onto stuff, so that way it's hard to pull, and it'll also be easier because Sunny likes to lose his balls all the time. So when I got it, Sunny hates it. Basically, he doesn't really like it, but Carlito likes it sometimes. And Carlito is very, what's the word, like possessive? Yeah. He basically doesn't want any of the other dogs to have anything.
Yeah. Yep.
Which is why you saw him snap on Sunny.
What's the eye? What's the... All right, I think it's ready.
I don't... Jamie!
All right. We clean up later. Cheers, Jazmine. Oh, that's way too much for you schnapps.
Ugh. It's pretty good though.
That's way too much for you schnapps. I need to level that out.
Alright, this is attempt number 2. We got a new
It's leaking. It's leaking. The balance is off still. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw this batch back into the first one. Times. Now I'm just speaking to a world-class bartender over here.
Oh my god, this is like our 3rd shot.
That's all good. Ooh. How'd that taste for you?
It tastes a lot better than your face looks.
I don't know what to do with this yet.
I think we should just leave it as is. Am I packaged now?
No. Sorry, sweetie. It's okay.
Hey, Jazz.
Yeah.
Good news.
What?
You're
I
not
ain't
Jazz.
been able to get no more fireworks. Just so
I can
you
be
know.
Jazz when I want to. Ew, why is it purple on
That's
this?
ube.
Jazz, you
Ube's
keep acting like
purple.
I know what ube is.
I don't know exactly what ube is,
That means you
but
got me eating it.
yeah, but it's a very popular dessert in Filipino culture.
It smells good. Just
It does
don't
smell
know
good.
about the purple.
I don't know what type of flavor it is
Do
though.
we just eat all at once?
No.
I like it. It's just like a dry brownie. No, it's not like a brownie. There's some that taste like this. Like chocolate and it's spongy.
Mhm. I feel like I had like ube before. So my Amazon package just came and I just got a couple of things like body wash and like I got this beetroot powder to try out because I heard this is a really good alternative to give you energy besides like coffee and drinking energy drinks and stuff like that, so I'm gonna try that out. My main reason why I made my Amazon order is to get some Gorilla mounting tape because if you can't see, my room has changed a little bit, got a little new addition. So I hung up these ivy garlands around my room and I used Scotch tape. Now unfortunately my walls are lumpy, or otherly known as textured walls. Either way, they lumpy. And the Scotch tape that I have doesn't really stick to them all like that unless it's paper. So I just finished replacing all the Scotch tape with the Gorilla Glue mounting tape. And so far it looks really good. It seems promising, so hopefully that will work. So I convinced Jamie in trying a Soju bomb with me. So basically what it is that you have some beer and some Soju.
Nasty. What kind of beer did you use, guys?
I don't know, what kind of beer is this? It's High Life beer.
She drinks this all the time.
The champagne of beers.
Yep.
That's gross. I don't even like champagne. And then I'm gonna finally crack open my bottle of Soju. And basically this Soju is kind of like Korean vodka. Korean version of vodka basically. And it's a lot smoother than vodka, which is why I like it. So how it works is that you have your beer and a shot glass. You're gonna fill this up with Soju. And what some people like to do, they'll put like sticks on top of the cup and they'll have to like bang it to get it in there, but that's like really messy, so we're just
So
gonna
what we're gonna do, we're gonna toss it in there from a distance.
we're just gonna drop it in there. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh,
It's like an explosion.
that's why I would have used. We should have did Stella.
I think you can taste it.
We should have did the Stella to have like a little bit more flavor. Cause I don't
Yeah.
think the High Life has flavor.
It's the champagne beers though.
But how you like it?
I don't know how I feel about this. This tastes like water.
I like it.
You like this? There's no flavor. It's dry.
so we're back in my room now, and it didn't turn out like the drink in the TikTok. Unfortunately, I had no idea what she did because she didn't leave like any instructions. She just did her thing in the video. Yeah, and then I also forgot to put ice in after putting in the strawberries, so I don't know. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, it doesn't taste that bad at all. I just need to stir it a little bit. I forgot to mention that I got a headboard for my bed, and it just makes it look like different. But it just gives my bed a new look. The main reason why I got it is because I noticed that sometimes when I'm laying on my bed or when I'm sleeping, I would tug down on my tapestry and it will like rip. So I was like, oh, to help avoid that, I should get a headboard. So I got this off of Amazon. The original one that I wanted got lost through UPS. I don't know what happened, but it got lost. So they refunded me my money, which is really nice because I paid $108 for the first headboard for my bed, and that price went up while it was being shipped to me, so it was $118 if you were to purchase it now. So when Amazon was going to refund me my money, I noticed that they're refunding me the higher price rather than what I actually paid for. So I thought that was nice. Okay. And this one was just $100, and it actually came to me. It didn't get lost through UPS. So I was only expecting to receive one package today, which was my Trunk Club box. But look what also turned up. Decided to show up to the party. This is my headboard that got lost through UPS. So now I have two headboards. I don't know what to do. Amazon already refunded me my money. It's not like I asked Amazon to do it. They just automatically did it because it didn't come the expected day. So I don't know. They pretty much look the same. I think that one just has buttons on the inner parts. It just has like buttons right here. That's like the main difference. They might have different fabric or whatever, but it's pretty much the same as this one.